Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's the Bald Baddie and I'm back with another video. So yes, y'all, we finna get right into this video. But check out my bald head. I'm looking real healthy right now, so I'm feeling myself just a little bit. So today's product we're gonna be using is called Bold Hold Extreme. It is called Bold Hold Extreme. So right now, I am going to clean off my head using some 90% alcohol. Yeah, that burnt like crazy. So yeah, I'm cleaning off my hair right now with a cotton round. You can purchase these products, the 91% alcohol and the cotton round, at your local Walmart or Walgreens or anywhere like that, CVS, like a drugstore or whatever. You can purchase those products there. So today's video is basically going to be about a lace install using Bold Hold Extreme. You can find Bold Hold Extreme at www.hairdiagram.com. This is a black owned business. Make sure you support all my black entrepreneurs out there. Make sure you support. So that stings a lot. That's why you see me doing that like that. I usually do this about 2 times just to make sure I didn't miss, no areas. You want to make sure you clean where you're gonna have the lace adhesive at. So I'm basically going over it the second time and cleaning off my head, cleaning on, especially by my ears, because of course you want your wig to sit right there on top of your ears. So I'm cleaning off my entire, like, basically forehead, because you want that that lace to stick to that adhesive. And I'm gonna take the Bold Hold and put it where I'm gonna lay my lace at. So right now I'm going to slide my wig on just to see where I want to lay that glue at, where I want to lay it at. So right here you see me actually just like pinning the wig back, getting it out of my face so none of the glue won't get on the wig. Well, at least try not to get none of the glue on the wig. So just take some pins. I'll take some ducktail clips and just pin it back so I can have a good, like, accurate, like, amount. So right here I'm just laying the lace down, and right here you see me taking my rat tail comb and just slightly pinching the lace in. You want it to stick. Sometimes you have to be a little rough with it and tug on it. Like right here, you see me tugging on the middle part, because for some reason, I guess because my head big, it's always hard for me to get the middle down. So right here, you just see me like tugging on the wig and tugging on my sides, because I want that wig to like sit in place. You want your wig to be completely submerged, where your the lace frontal part to be completely submerged in the glue. So I use 3 layers of the glue, right? You can use however many layers you want to. Just make sure you clean your head. Let the glue sit until it's about, tacky or clear. I usually let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on, where I'm going. I usually sit under the dryer, or I tie it down really tight, and that usually helps. Like, I don't know if you see me tugging on and pulling on my wig. It's in place, y'all. Like, my wig was literally going nowhere. So I was just making sure that everywhere I put lace at, it was stuck, like basically sticking like glue. You want your wig to almost really and truthfully stick like glue. So I'm really satisfied in this because, I'm bald, so I have to have a good lace adhesive. If y'all want me to try someone else's lace adhesive, like, Trina the Dreamweaver or anybody like that, or Erica J Hold Me Down, drop it in the description box and I'll try it, because I'm really loyal to Bold Hold because I have sensitive skin, and that helps. If you liking this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on those post notifications, because it's going to be another lit video. So right here, you really see that none of my lace adhesive is really showing. It's like a little bit peak showing, but I know how to fix that. And yeah, I'm confident in this lace adhesive. Like, my wig is not going nowhere, baby. It came to slay. That lace adhesive came to stay, baby. So I'm okay. If you like my video, like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell. Turn that post notifications. So I'm happy. I'm shaking my head, and yeah, my wig ain't going nowhere. I really need that, that lace adhesive to stick. So I will see y'all on my next video. Peace out, babies.